Are you planning to build a home in the Philippines? If so, it's time to rethink traditional building methods. Innovative technologies can drastically improve energy efficiency, saving you money in the long run. In the Philippines, the climate is hot and humid. Over the year, average temperatures range from 25 to 35 degrees Celsius, with humidity reaching above 75%. This environment poses a challenge. Why build a house that operates like a furnace, absorbing heat and increasing your electricity bill? Consider this. The largest portion of a household's electricity bill often comes from air conditioning. So why have design flaws, such as 2-inch gaps under doors or metal roofs that absorb heat? Proper design can reduce the duty of your AC, leading to significant savings. Let's explore some emerging technologies. First up is ceramic paint. These specially formulated products reflect ultraviolet rays, keeping your walls and roof cooler. Applying this paint can help reduce heat absorption, making your home more energy efficient. Next, let's talk about windows. Unmanaged sunlight can amplify heat in your home. You can treat your windows with reflective films, like those from 3M, or opt for high-tech options like Smart Sun Glass from Andersen, which features built-in heat-reflecting layers. Now onto walls. Traditional concrete blocks are widely used, yet thermally inefficient. New options like smart blocks offer better thermal management and consistency. While they may seem more expensive at first glance, they save time and materials during construction. Consider this construction process. With concrete blocks, you pour concrete, let it dry, then add layers of plaster. It takes time. Time equals money. In contrast, smart blocks snap together, needing only a simple grout finish. You'll find that despite a higher initial cost, smart blocks can result in lower overall building expenses. Another modern technique is insulated concrete forms, ICF. ICF allows for rapid wall assembly, and you can quickly see cost savings through efficient labor and materials. Humidity is a critical factor too. Without adequate air conditioning, staying comfortable can be challenging. High humidity can damage expensive electronics like TVs and gaming consoles, making AC an essential investment. As you design your ideal home, engage with your architect about these thermal materials. Modern architects will introduce you to the latest technologies addressing energy efficiency. Think of your home design as creating a giant refrigerator. You want to retain cool air while reflecting heat away. Make informed choices about the technologies you implement to maximize your home's thermal efficiency. In conclusion, utilizing emerging technologies can transform your building experience. By prioritizing thermal efficiency, you create a more comfortable living environment, reduce energy costs, and protect your investments. Start planning your sustainable home today.